Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are safe at home. Now, we are going to do the continuation of the chapter Ratio and Proportion. What is proportion? Four quantities A, B, C, and D are in proportion if A is to B equal to C is to D, or A by B equal to C by D. Here A, B, C and D are respectively known as the first, second, third and fourth terms of the proportion. The first and fourth terms are called the extremes and the second and third terms are called the means. So, four quantities are in proportion, then the product of extremes is equal to product of means. Now, three quantities A, B and C are in continued proportion when A by B equal to B by C, where all these three quantities must be of the same kind. Here B is called the mean proportional between A and C, while C is called the third proportional to A and B. Keeping all this in your mind, let us start the exercise. First question. Find the mean proportional between 3 and 12. Let x be the mean proportional between 3 and 12. Then 3 is to x is equal to x is to 12. Since the product of extremes is equal to product of means, therefore 3 into 12 equal to x into x, that is x square equal to 36. Therefore x is equal to square root of 36 equal to 6. Next, 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. Let x be the mean proportional between 1 by 3 and 1 by 12. Then 1 by 3 is to x is equal to x is to 1 by 12. Since the product of extremes is equal to product of means, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 12 equal to x into x. X square equal to 1 by 36. Therefore x is equal to square root of 1 by 36 equal to 1 by 6. Next question, 3 by 4 and 4 by 243. Let x be the mean proportional between 3 by 4 and 4 by 243. Then 3 by 4 is to x is equal to x is to 4 by 243. Since the product of extremes is equal to product of means, therefore 3 by 4 into 4 by 243 equal to x into x. Here 4 cancel. 3 and 243 are coming in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 381s are 243. Therefore x square is equal to 1 by 81. X is equal to square root of 1 by 81 equal to 1 by 9. Next question. Find x such that x is to 14 equal to 18 is to 63. As we know that four quantities are in proportion, since the product of extremes is equal to product of means. Therefore, x into 63 equal to 14 into 18. X is equal to 14 into 18 divided by 63. So the answer is 4. Next, 4 1 by 2 gram is to 3 1 by 2 gram equal to x meter is to 21 meter. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this become 9 by 2 is to 7 by 2 equal to x is to 21. Since the product of extremes is equal to product of means, that is 9 by 2 into 21 equal to 7 by 2 into x. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 2 into 21 into 2 by 7. So, the answer is 27. Next question. X centimeter raised to 2.5 centimeter is equal to 2.5 centimeter raised to 2 centimeter. Since the product of extremes is equal to product of means. Therefore, x into 2 equal to 2.5 into 2.5. X is equal to 2.5 into 2.5 divided by 2. That is equal to 25 into 25 divided by 2 into 10 into 10. On cancelling, we will get the answer as 25 divided by 8. Therefore, x is equal to 25 divided by 8. Next question. If the ratio that 49 bears to a quantity is the same as the ratio that the quantity bears to 81, find the quantity. Here, let x be the quantity. According to question, 49 is to x equal to x is to 81. Four quantities are in proportion, then we know that the product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is 49 into 81 equal to x into x. X square is equal to 49 into 81. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 49 into 81. Square root of 49 is 7 and square root of 81 is 9. So, the answer is 7 into 9 equal to 63. Next question. The length of a rectangular field is 140 meter. If the ratio of the length to the breadth of the field is 5:3, then find the breadth of the field. Here, the ratio of length and breadth is given as 5:3. So, let 5x and 3x be the length and breadth of the field. It is given that the length of the rectangular field is 140 meter. That is, here 5x is the length and 3x be the breadth. So, according to question, 5x is equal to 140. X is equal to 140 divided by 5 equal to 28. Therefore, breadth is equal to 3x. That is equal to 3 into 28 equal to 84 meter. Next question. In a triangle, the side AB is equal to 4 centimeter and the side BC is equal to 9 centimeter. If the side AC is the mean proportional to AB and BC, find AC. Let x be the side AC. Therefore, x is the mean proportional between the sides AB and BC. If we know that three quantities A, B, C are in continued proportion, then B square is equal to AC. That is, B is the mean proportional between A and C. So here x square is equal to AB into BC. X square is equal to 4 into 9. X is equal to square root of 4 into 9 equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6 centimeter. So I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions. Thank you.